Hey, welcome to Parrish Studio. What is this channel? Well, it's a channel about writing music, producing music, how to actually get it out there where you won't need a record label, how to mix better, how to make better vocals, how to get your beats happening. If you're a beginner, you're going to learn a lot of stuff. If you're a seasoned musician, I'm going to show you some of my insights. I've been in the business 45 years, worked with some very major names. You could Google me and find out that kind of stuff. I've sold 85 million pieces of product with my name on it. So I think I know what I'm doing, right? And I'm known for my good sounding productions and mixes. You're going to be able to look over my shoulder and watch me either as I compose, or I show you what a compressor does, or how to EQ something, or my philosophy on how to get things sounding really great. And not only how to record, but how to mix and master. And if you don't know what mastering is, I'll show you what that's all about, as well as how to get your music out there. Get it up on iTunes, get it all around the world to millions and millions and millions of people to listen, because you won't need a record label. If you're not a musician, but you're just a geek and somebody who's kind of interested or want to know how your favorite artists get their music out, this is the channel that's going to show you. All right, so subscribe, hit that bell, and as I post up new stuff, you'll be able to see it. I'm also going to try to see if I could do some live broadcasts, because there's a chat window. I got to figure out all that stuff, but if I do, you'll be able to talk live as I'm doing stuff and ask questions, and I'll be able to help you. And the best part about this is you don't have to spend a couple of $1,000s on a music school. It's free. All right, guys, thanks. Subscribe right now. Hit that little subscribe button. And if you do that, you'll be able to, that little bell, once I upload something, you'll be able to keep in tune with it. Thank you so much, everybody, and see you in the studio.